yourself in next time and rid us of your stupidity.
You look like a man I could be a best friend with.
You and me. Booyah, Grandma. Booyah.
We don't have anything specific planned for today's show.
This week's show is going to be really interesting with...
Don't tell what's going to be on the show.
What up, Coach Space? How's it going? You didn't even do my new favorite one. Didn't even do my new favorite one. Ooh, this is something special. I started working on Practical NPC's Art Jam. I'm not sure if I'll finish it or submit it, but we're gonna put that aside. Oh, hello. What are we watching here? This has been open all night, and I guess I've just been raided around. Let's close all that. Do you know Practical NPC? Do you know his game of Mori? Since you're the only one here, I'll show you, actually. So part of his art style is like there's these teeth that come out of this like creepy gum-like wall. Like the walls are made of teeth, basically. So I started making like a view of one of the portals that's just surrounded by the teeth. I mean, it's a VOD. It's recorded, but no one watches them. It's fine. I don't know if that's part of the rules, but whatever. I just saw it. I'm like, you know what? Everyone's gonna do characters, and I'm not great at characters, so let me just do a cool environment. All right, I thought of a way that I can easily deal with this issue here. So instead of continuing, wait, I gotta see what this does actually. Get new photo name available. I don't know what this does. Doesn't make any sense. You love it? Nice. Nice. Collection tracker. Babic, how's it going? How are you? Get new photo name available. What does that mean? I return the subject name, but I'm returning it to nothing. Okay, it gets it. Get new photo name available. It's so weird. Like, I have a script here. So I get to this dialogue tree that Sky Ninja was complaining about. And we come in and we say, is there a new photo available? Yes. And then we do one of these. And then we get new photo name available. You crashed you crashed QEMU. All right, so you're constantly throwing out these acronyms. We're gonna finally look up what you're talking about, all right? Because I have no idea. Or send me links. Send me links to exactly what you're talking about so I can understand. I want to understand. You and these acronyms. You're good. That's great. I've just finished my RL side quests and finally got some time to watch your game dev. What's RL? Rocket League? Or real life? Because I talk about Rocket League a lot on the stream. Real life, nice. I am putting off my real life side quests until the very last minute. Here we go. We got a link. We're gonna learn. We're gonna learn something today. A generic and open source machine emulator and virtualizer. Run operating systems for any machine on any supported architecture. That's cool. Oh, I wonder if this is how they made the Omega Mart. I did this this like art installation / interactive experience, and they had these computers everywhere that were touchscreen, but they all ran like Windows 95. Use it to test your OS. So are you making an OS? Okay, this makes sense to me now. Thank you. Creepy teeth. Okay, so I need to keep investigating what the hell this function does. It's possible I just don't use it. Collect. Oh, I do this to collect the thing. So this, when this thing is called, that's me actually collecting the thing. Okay, that's very important and very necessary. May I post a link to my itch page, sir? Fabic. You don't even have to ask, but thank you for asking. Of course you can post the link. Actually, it's probably good to ask. Should I make that one of the rules, to ask? Alright, so I guess I want to go back to here, right? That's going to be annoying. Let's make a child. I'll divert. Just to continue. Project Maze. Ooh, this is a nice page. Very atmospheric. First-person procedurally generated maze game. Each area like maze, dungeon, each room, and every item in game, secret passages, doorways, dig areas, maps, work in progress. This is cool. Based on fictional facts. You mute my music. Please the gods. Where's the gameplay? So if someone is trying to push something, you can ban them. There you can say they broke the rules. Yeah, I should. Alright, nice title animation. Unity. Very cool. Very cool. Is this your overworld?
We don't have anything specific planned for today's show.
This week's show is going to be really interesting with...
Don't tell what's going to be on the show.
Very nice, Fabic. Very nice. It's over 500 times, 500 players. So I have a point system, actually. Let me see something. Stream elements. I just don't know how to, like, let you check. Dashboard. Streaming tools? No. Loyalty, giveaways, contests, leaderboards. So like, there's points here. I mean, you're not on the top 25 because you're new here, but I don't know how to show. Oh, wait, give points, pub leaderboard, reset. I can reset it. Currency name. Okay. Maybe there's a way to add a thing. FB. 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 How are you? I know a little bit about how you are. Tell everyone else how you are. Ignored users. Oh, I need to put all the bots in there that I see. Sometimes there's like a lot of people on this leaderboard that I don't know if they're bots or if they're real people that don't talk. If you come here and you never talk, but you want me to know that you're real, just drop a hi. Just drop a hi. You don't have to talk. Because I might add you to the do not count list. No, you don't even have to drop the hi. It's fine. Stay anonymous. All right. Good stuff, Fabic. This looks really cool. A lot of detail. A lot of good details. Did you say 500 people have played this? I'm gonna try and like save people's works. So I just like know who's working on what. Past few weeks I've been so like busy working on the game that I haven't been committing my brain to the social aspect. Alright, so I'm just gonna divert this conversation right back to the beginning. And the only way to get out is by saying not today. It's very easy. I don't need the semicolon here, but I'm gonna put it. Okay. So now Sky Ninja might appreciate that. You're totally not real, Codespace? Damn, that's convincing. I guess it's like, I mean, we're in the age now where you can spin up an AI bot that sounds real, acts real. Like they don't have to just, be like Nightbot. They can actually talk back. You could be a bot. Actually, I'm gonna need proof that you're real then. Prove it. Prove it. No, I'm human. Yeah, that's what a human says. No, I'm human. All humans run around going, I'm human. How do you want me to? Oh yeah, those typos are really gonna make me think that you're human. You're laying it on thick, CodeBot. Real thick. Let's check the wish lists. We did a lot of marketing the past few days. Do you think that translated to new wish lists? Oh, shiz. Not bad. Not bad. We're almost at 1,000. We're almost at 1,000 wish lists. Marketing helps. Not a lot, but it does a little. Alright. Okay, this is good. I'm gonna check that off the list. Obsidian. Where did I put that? Did I even write it down? Handing in multiple photos is tedious. Not anymore. Not anymore. Have a checkbox to invert camera controls. Yeah. Ooh, I did the thing that everyone begged me to do. Add the escape button menu. I think it's gonna totally break the game. I'm not sure yet. Good luck with your game. I'm gonna go lurk mode. Yeah. You get too many distractions. Yeah, I do. Thanks for hanging out, Fabic. Have a good one. Thank you for the lurk. You're doing the OS in assembly. With real mode, 16-bit, and I'm trying to get to protected mode. Like assembly, like the lowest level possible? You're coding in the lowest level possible. Well, I guess no. Binary would be even lower than that, right? That's crazy. So you're like a savant. So you're like a crazy person. Or you're definitely a bot. No human would code in assembly. You bot. This was a weird one. Can't recreate that one. So I made this clearer date, but now I need to make a better date UI. Hibix or Hlebix? How's it going? New Temple OS, huh? You talking to Codespace? No, just welcome in. Welcome in. How are you? What? What is happening? Rust compiler. All right, now you're bringing all the bots. You brought the actual Rust compiler in. To program an assembly, one must stay pure and innocent, free of earthly temptations. How's it going, Rust compiler? I didn't know that compilers can talk. So what are we working on today? Not exactly sure. Honestly, the alpha, like, there's all these notes, but none of these are like that. None of them are game breaking. I need to sort them by like bugs and suggestions and confusing elements. Like, how's your wife in Japan? Haven't heard a word about her since she left. She's doing all right, you know. She's doing a lot of fun stuff, but you know, when you're in another country by yourself, it's lonely. So she's doing her best to get by, but she's doing some fun stuff. She's keeping herself busy. Yes, I'd be scared. Yeah. I don't know what I'd do. I'd probably just wander around, hopping into cafes. I'd have like 40 coffees every day, and I'd just try and talk to people. Because I'd want to practice the language. Is it JS style braces in C#? What, this? Are you judging my code? Do you not like where I put my braces? You probably just sit on TikTok. 99, how's it going? Thank you for the hydrate. So 99, I was thinking about you this morning because I wanted to start clipping stuff to YouTube and just like putting a clip a day on YouTube as a short. And there was a moment where you were like, I think it was you. You asked like, why am I bald? Why did I choose to be bald? And I remember answering. I was like, well, sometimes baldness chooses you. And I really wanted to find that clip so I can put that on YouTube. All right. What? Wait. So 99. I see your decoration request. Jukebox. We're gonna make that. So thank you for giving me something to do. But Hibix or Hlebix. What do you suggest? Do you like them like this? Is this how you like your brackets? Yeah, I think it was you. Because I hate this. I hate this. I like everything as compact as possible. If I can get rid of lines and compact it, I like seeing as much as I can on screen. So that's why I do the inline braces. And yeah, even like sometimes I'll just, if I see empty space like this, I'll just get rid of it. Because I know what's going on and I can read it. I like to do this a lot. Just inline continues and stuff. I just want to get it. Just get it. Get it. Squish. Just squish that shit. I understand that. I get liking this, you know? I don't like it. This is unnecessary empty space. My brain can handle it. Alright, 99, you want to make a jukebox. Is there a specific kind of jukebox that you think we should make, or should I just make one up? Jukebox. Let's look up some jukebox. Like a classic one like this? Oh my god, so much detail. There's so much detail in these things. Let me see if I can find a simple one. They're so crazy looking. Or should I do this like super old one? Fabic, you're trying to help me compress it even more. So that I don't like. That's like the lambda thing. I don't like those. They confuse me. Wait, so do I have any of those? Oh, so like these, right? You're saying instead of doing this, I do this, and then I do that. And then I don't do return. Like this. So, yeah. I do like that. I need to get used to that. I need to get used to this thing. This thing confuses me. I'm not good with these. You know, I'm not a CS major. I'm an artist. I'll put these here just to like force me to like get it. Thank you for the suggestion. Libix, does this bother you? Compressing it even more, or do you like this now? I know how to really bug you. What if I did this? Does that bug you? That bugs me. I need at least the space between the functions. That's cool. I like that. I like that. Lambda, lambda, lambda. Every time I say that or hear lambda, it just makes me think of Marsha. Marsha, Marsha, Marsha. Okay, that's cool. 8 lines saved. Nice. Maybe I can knock back some of these giant scripts I have. All right, 99. Where's the ref? We're just gonna find one. Let me look on Pinterest real quick too. Like maybe I can find like an illustrated one that's simplified. Illustrated jukebox. Okay, this one's really cute. Yeah, I knew if I find an illustrated one, it just like gives me just the details I need. We're gonna use this one as a reference. I like it. It's cute. Get Maya back. And we're gonna ignore this. I'm not good at deciding stuff, not a good artist. You might be surprised. No one thinks they're a good artist. I need to reorganize my Maya scenes. They're a mess. Total mess. Oh, the lucky cat. I love the lucky cat. So good. I have plans for that lucky cat. It's going to be a very hard to get item, and when you place it in your inn, it's gonna give you some good stuff. All right, so is there something we can start with? Nah. Okay, that's fine. Let's do it. So we want. So it's like cylinders that loop, and I got this. It's gonna take me 5 minutes to make this model. Start the clock. Start the clock. No, definitely don't start the clock. This is actually a pretty complicated shape. I think my uncle has one in his office. I always see the lucky cat at the front desk. Nice. So jukeboxes are pretty tall. This is the size of an end table, and this is the size of a bookshelf, so you definitely want it. I think I need to turn on... I need to turn on the thing that I hate. Where's Splinter? Where's Splinter here to judge me? 4 or 5. Okay, I like round numbers. 25. Okay, so I have this. I'm gonna duplicate it. And then there's a smaller one, so 20. Just drag it. Okay, we'll do a bigger one. And then we want one more. And it needs to be this big. Okay. Zeka88, how's it going? Hey, the Steam trailer says 2024 release, but in the description it says 2025. 2024 is not correct. 2025. It's looking like 2025. I'm gonna, you know what? Thanks for reminding me. I'm gonna upload that new trailer right now because it's really causing me some issues. Let's see, where do I do that? Partner.steam games. Can you make it so that it plays some music, or is that too much work? Oh yeah, we can make it play some music. I might actually make it like an item that lets you change the background music. Oh, that's true. Zeka, you can play it right now. Like, you can play the alpha build if you'd like. You know, it's not a full game. It's got bugs. It kind of stops at some point and doesn't tell you it's done. But you can definitely put in a couple hours if you want to play. 500. Actually, I increased it to 600. Right? Is that what I did? Yeah, I made it 600. Like, I don't want to make it hard to play, but I think you only needed to be here for like 20 minutes to play it. And I feel like 600, it just felt better. Also, there was a lot of people playing, so I was getting overwhelmed. I was like, I need less people playing. Let me make this more expensive. All right, I'm going to upload the new trailer. I'm going to be done with this. Because the new trailer just says, wishlist now, coming soon. No date. Do not hold me to it, please. Edit store page. Graphical assets. Where do I put the trailer? Forget. Trailers. Duh. I want to replace. Click here to upload file. And then I want to go to, let's see, I have edits, output, trailers. Oh wait, I need it formatted correctly, right? So it needs to be 60 or 59 FPS. All right, I need to run this through media encoder. I'm thinking of a new decoration to add next stream. Do you have enough points to add two? That's a lot of points. What is this right now? This is... What FPS is this? Don't tell me. Get properties. How do I know what the FPS is on this? I think it's 54. So let's just make it 60. It is... Oh, it is 60. Okay, good. Oh, no, wait. Yeah, it already is 60. Perfect. I could just drag and drop. I don't have to do this shit. Does it have size restrictions? Nah. Okay, uploading. Thank you, Zeka, for making me do that. Let's get back to this. So for this, what do I need to do? I want to just make the base of it. So I want to delete faces or delete edges. Oops, too many. What? Oh, it's weird. Pumpkin, how's it going? Oh god, I just said shout out Pumpkin. What an idiot. I meant to do that. Everyone, please click on Pumpkin Day's name. Go follow Momo. They're another awesome cozy game dev. Today, so 99M has redeemed the add a decoration to the game, so I'm making this jukebox, putting it in the game. Which I love the idea of, so. I'm thinking if you can make a Chinese tea set. I love Chinese tea sets. Have you seen the brewing kit? The brewing station. The brewing station has a tea set, but it also has a coffee set. It's basically for making tea. Anyway, Momo, how are you doing? Last time I saw you were working on the character customization stuff. Really cool. Do you want to share anything? Do you want to drop a link? So I have Pumpkin Days here. You know, I encourage people to go play the game, go buy it. But if you want to share anything from the new game you're working on, I'd love to see. You're sick again, oh no. From the little pumpkin. Little pumpkins get you sick. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Lurk and work, Ryan. Thank you for the lurk. Hope you're doing well. Slowly plugging away at the eye colors. The character customization, oh, it's such a rabbit hole. I finally like broke down and I did all the icons. I had like 100 icons I needed to make, and I did it the other day. I just wrote a tool that made them for me. Okay, actually I kind of like that. Great. So let's soften these. See, this is why I hate wireframe unshaded. What was that? 99. Oh, look at that. So you want like a full ass set. Okay. I can see a use for this item actually. Nothing major, just general low energy and stuff he knows. I want to keep working, but I know it'd be more responsible to sleep it off and get back some energy and work later. Yeah. It's a whole thing. Yeah, it's a whole thing. You know, I mentioned on your stream like fashion designer. And the thing that blows my mind about fashion designer is that when you have clothing on and you put on an accessory, the clothing knows to puff out and not intersect with it perfectly. Like they must have like blend shapes per accessory location, and then there's like a puff. I don't know. It blows my mind. So, like I understand like brute forcing it and like if this and this use this blend shape, but I think they're doing something a little more clever because they have too much clothing. And the thing that also drives me crazy is like the long flowing clothing and the cloth effects. So impressed by fashion designer. I know you guys are probably like, fashion designer? What the hell is he talking about? Why is he impressed by that? That sounds lame. No. It's amazing. It's amazing looking. I watched my wife play for a few hours and I was so impressed by it. I was geeking out more than she was. She was like, this is cool. And I was like, this is really cool. I was so impressed. Okay, just want to merge these. Can I suggest one like the one I sent you through Discord next stream if I redeem one? Yes, 99, of course you can. I haven't played Fashion Designer yet, but it's on my wish list. Yeah, if anything, it's good to just look at for the character customization stuff because it's pretty incredible. Although they did the thing that that you were describing, they didn't do the thing that you did do. They don't have body shapes, so they don't have to account for different size body shapes. Basically, everyone's a pencil thin anime character. So at least they did get away with that, and I understand that that's not, in this day and age, it's not like cool. I mean, I'm doing that too. I don't have a body slider. But it's just a lot of work. Like, it's just a lot of work. And hopefully people don't mind. All right, where'd it go? There it is. Oh, I made this too small. That's okay. You know what? That's okay. Oh, that's annoying. What the hell? I just want to add this little window here. Oh, because of symmetry. It always causes stupid issues. Caveman crafting. How's it going? Things going good. How are you doing? Have you tried Chinese tea? Yeah, I think so. Pretty sure I've had Chinese tea. I used to go to dim sum a lot. And you wouldn't get water. You do not get water at dim sum. They give you tea. So I would chug tea. Dim sum is my favorite. I miss it. So got a little window here. That thing is fire as hell. What thing? It's going well. Was able to get my power system for spaceships going. Also sorted out power thrust calculations based on how a player distributes power. That sounds complicated as hell. Caveman crafting. If you want to drop a link and show us what you're describing, please do. So you don't have enough power set for engines, they slow down. That sounds really complicated. Soon? I want to see it now. I want to see it now. Dim sum? Yeah. But it's getting pricey lately due to inflation here. Oh, man. Dim sum's supposed to be cheap. It's supposed to be cheap. Wait, I have an exact value for this, don't I? Yeah, I do. It doesn't look exact. Oh, because this needs to be 7, and then this needs to be 2. Now it's exact. Oh, wait, this wraps around the whole thing. That's weird. That's weird. How many polygons is this? It's getting very heavy with these rounded cylindrical things. Let me see if I can help. 8. No, this needs to be 12. Maybe this can be 6. Yeah, that could be 6. Alright. How are we doing so far? How's this jukebox looking? Looking jukey? Looking like a jukebox? Nurk, mind. Nurk, Michael. Michael, how are you? Coming through mobile to get my streak. Alright, well, thanks for keeping your streak going. Everyone go follow Nurkmind, as usual. Okay, what else do we want to add to this? Oh, it looks like this has a base to it. Object X. Why is that not symmetrizing? Symmetrize. Jerk. Ooh, this is a nice cozy Sunday. It's actually really pretty out. Something about streaming when it's really pretty out is like, I should be outside. No, this is more important. important. Oh my god, this thing is so heavy. So many polygons, and I've made it only from Tauruses. It's just a bunch of Tauruses, no big deal. It's 1,600 polygons. No, it's 2,300 tries. Shiz. That's a lot. You know what, though? Sometimes this thing's gotta be heavy. It's like so elaborate. I think I'm gonna call it. We're just gonna. This is it. This is it. We're done. What is this cube? What is this? Sphere? Okay, it's just a tiny sphere. But what is this? What is this single polygon just floating here? That scares me. That makes me feel like I did something naughty. Let's just delete it. The dog's still sleeping. Yeah, she's behind me. She's in her bed sleeping. Oh, we had a scare yesterday. She's doing okay now. Okay, I'm gonna texture it and call it. Juke. The difficulty of making this jukebox is going to be make this into a late game item. You think this should be a late game item? I'm seeing it as a mid game item. Like at a certain point, you get this thing, and then you can just alter the background music however you want. Oh, should I add this top thing? All right, one more thing. We'll add the top thing. Jaish, thank you for the follow. How's it going? Momo, thank you for the lurk. Also, I think I can give you your shout out now. You do it properly. Everyone click that follow button. Is this Xanarkin theme? Yeah, it is. What up, Fullbox? Can you make a pool? I had plans to make a pool. I had plans to basically make them like a piece of foundation that you can design your own shape, and it makes it into like a separate area that like NPCs can jump in and swim. And I'm thinking about it. I haven't ruled it out totally yet, but it's also not totally in the game yet.
Fool of a took.
No, we're talking about
Yourself
pools.
next time and rid us of your stupidity.
BitGamey! How are you, BitGamey? BitGamey, did you get your Steam page yet? So I can add it to the Nightbot. Yo, sorry, I just passed by yesterday. Dinner just happened. You kidding me? If anyone spends more than 1 second in the stream, I am grateful. You don't have to watch. Well, hello there, you Sunday streamer. Doing good, thanks. Even when I do get it, it will be a while before it's published since I need to generate the content. Of course. Zenfail, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How are you doing? Everyone, all the new follows today. Feel free to introduce yourself. If you're an artist or a game dev, feel free to share your work. Love to see it. I like interacting. Feels wrong to leave without saying goodbye. I get that. I like interacting too. I think I interact too much. I'm like all up in everyone's chats. Stream tonight? Nah, we're just gonna do this stream and then that's it. But I might go for a while. Who knows? It's part of the fun. Hells yeah. I'm adding a lot of detail to this thing. Having a good time with it. Thank you for the redeem, 99. Oh, this is weird. That won't come back to haunt me, will it? Fit Gamey just dropped in. That's funny. I like that. In names. I tend to fall for the second sleep curse these days. What's the second sleep curse? Oh wait, what did I miss? Sorry, helping out others at the same time? Yeah, that's part of the fun too. Watch like an eagle, watch like a hawk and make sure the streamer's doing the right thing. Then I guess skipping lunch for sleep then. Never, you shouldn't be skipping lunch, 99. You gotta eat your lunch. Need your energy. Actually, and it's funny you said make a Chinese tea set. Tea. Ceremonial tea. Ceremonial teapot. Ceremonial tea set. Oh wait, this is just the lid. I think I already have one. I didn't make it, but I have it. Prefabs. Assembled. Tea sets. Ceremonial tea set? Wait. Oh, this is just... it's in the... It must be in the scene. I think we already have it, 99. You don't have to redeem it. You wake up at 8 a.m., then you sleep again. The next time you wake up is 11. Skip breakfast. I'm saying not lunch. I see. Can't live without lunch. Right. I love breakfast more than I love lunch. Breakfast is my favorite meal. So this is a pack that I purchased. Check this out. We have a matcha set. So that's not a Japanese tea set. That's not a Chinese tea set. The Japanese matcha set. Do we have a Chinese tea set? I think we can assemble one out of these pieces. Giorgio, how's it going? What's my typical breakfast? Oh, I've got a menu. I go all over the place. I like eggs. I like toast. I like bagels. I like oatmeal. I like pancakes. I like all the breakfast foods. So what? 99. Maybe next stream we can just design one out of these pieces, so we don't have to make anything. I think we can make the set out of this. This one? Yeah, it has that color scheme. Or this one. Is there a typical breakfast in Japan without me Googling it? Typical breakfast? Yeah, they've got a wide variety of breakfasts, and then like Western breakfasts have kind of infused the you know, society. One thing I like having, like when I go to hotels, all the breakfast buffets, they always have a curry, like breakfast curry, and I really enjoy it. All right, I don't know why I deleted the space that I needed before, but I gotta get it back. Please be symmetrical. Thank you. Whoa. What am I? Oh. I'm like, what is happening? Ah, there we go. I'm like, where's the hotkey? I know it exists. There's my chippy. Okay. All right, we're done here. We're done. Can't stay, but wanted to keep my stream streak, yo. I'm sorry for keeping you all on your toes. But the fact that you guys want to keep your streaks with me is just... Why? Live your life. Live your life. Time to make you add Chinese stuff to make my Inn a Chinese restaurant. I mean, I feel like once I move to Japan, a lot of Japanese stuff's gonna go in. But yeah, let's add the Chinese stuff too. Let's do it all. I'll hit every country eventually. All good. You're fun to watch and see the game grow. Giorgio, making me blush. Making me blush. Also, why? There we go. Okay, we're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. Let's texture it. So everything's gonna get, so this thing is gonna get the matte material, and then I'm gonna give some stuff shiny material, and some stuff metal material, and it's gonna look gorgeous. It's gonna look gorge. Matte. Okay, who gets metal? You get metal? Alright, these things get metal. Metal. And then these tubes and this thing get plastic. So shiny hard. Or shiny soft, I guess. And then we'll give this thing shiny soft as well. Shiny soft. Okay. Make it look very retro. I mean, based on the shape, I don't think I can make it not look retro. It is already pretty damn retro. Okay, this is the hard part. What colors? I got a 40M drive. Can't type, but I'd be curious to know what you're up to. Oh, you got a 40-minute drive. We're making a jukebox. 99 redeem the added decoration to the game. So we're adding a jukebox item to the game. I like these colors, you know, blue, red, and yellow. So let's go with that. So this is going to be red. These tubes are going to be red. And we'll make them actually like this middle orange. And then this will be yellow. And then everything else will be blue. And then I did want to make this white. Done. How's that? That looks pretty ridiculous, huh? Oh wait, I want to make this screen blue. Did we already hit the end of the... Wow, we've been going for an hour already? Jesus. That's crazy. I have created Uncle's favorite jukebox. Are you saying that because you think he'd like it, or you showed him? So the screen will make this like light blue. And actually I want this to be light blue as well. Alright, look at that. It's a little ridiculous. Maybe I don't like the orange. It's too like ketchup and mustard. Maybe it's the yellow I don't like. Let's try a less saturated one. Alright. Alright. Let's call it. You're not too shabby at this 3D model stuff? Alright. I'm alright. I'm alright at it. Better be okay at it. I've been doing it for so freaking long. I mean, so the problem with this item is it looks terrible from every other angle. Some of these items, they look okay from other angles, you know? But this is just like... Okay. That's the back of it. It's kind of boring. I wish I was this alright at it. Bit gamey, thank you. I'm gonna take that as a compliment. He used to dance with his wife at the disco, he said. It's nice. It will be against the wall. It should be against the wall if you put it against the wall. Alright, let's get it in the game. Furniture export set. It's in the game. What was that? What was that? Someone going live? Get so many go live notifications on Discord. Yeah, he is. It's in items, right? Decorations. Furniture. Ooh, gotta do it again. Furniture. Practice, practice, practice. Indeed, Fullbox, you nailed it. You nailed it. Oh, I'm getting cold. It's time to warm up. Oh, there we go. Ooh. This has a fuzzy inside. It's so warm.
You and me. Booyah, Grandma. Booyah.
99. How's it going? I mean, sorry. Real Ninja. Real Ninja. I got you guys confused. Real Ninja, how are you? I did something for you today. You fixed the thing you didn't like. Boy from the hood. Boy from the hood. You doing good? That's good. Alright, so this jukebox, I already have a radio item. Radio. So I'm gonna dupe the radio. This can't be happening, Nick. This is happening. Just accept it in your heart. Accept it in your heart. Juke box. Wait. Is jukebox one word? All right, so we have matte. Perfect. Metal mat. Nope. Yep. And we have shiny matte. But which one should I use? Shiny hard or shiny soft? Ooh. Definitely shiny hard. All right, that's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Let's get that radio out of there. A few gold chains and someone's ready to wrap. Jesus. Maybe you need to get a radio, then upgrade it somehow? Yeah, I would imagine that the radio and the jukebox do the same thing. What is this? That is just a cube with no material. Goodbye. Nav mesh obstacle. Why is that not on? It looks like the radio item was under construction. I don't think I ever finished it. And that's why it's in this like half state. I just need to copy these values. Okay.
You look like a man I could be a best friend with.
I was scouring the internet for highlight clips of Arrested Development Ron Howard narrator, like one-liners, and I couldn't find like a supercut of the best one-liners from Arrested Development. So I had to like watch individual ones until I found a good one I liked. But I know there's like hundreds of one-liners that I love that I just want to put Arrested Development Ron Howard as redeems. I hate the screen, actually. It's so a little flat. Thank you, 99. Finding audio clips can be tough, yeah. The sound alerts makes it easy, you know? You just plug in a YouTube clip and crop it and then hit go. So it's nice. It's just, yeah, finding them. Oh, it doesn't have any, so style, it's gonna have 3 style. It's gonna have 4 style, 2 function. High-end item. I need to make this sky blue. Yeah, you're probably right. That. Oh god, what have I done? What have I done? It's kind of funny that I have to pop back into Maya to change the UVs to change colors on things, but it works. It works for now. Okay, it's blue now. That looks better. Thank you. Let me just configure the item. Jukebox. Did we confirm whether jukebox is one word or not? Jukeboxes. Use this to change. Use this to alter the mood. That's kind of lame. I don't know. I can Google it. I have the power. Yeah, it's one word. It is one word. All right. So what does it do now? I don't have any events on it. So I want it to change the music. So maybe right now what I'll do is I'll just have it trigger a random piece of music. That's what I'll do for now. Just chilling here, half awake, half asleep. You just chill. You just chill, Sky Ninja. You've done enough. You should be exhausted by how much you've played and how many bugs you reported. Okay. Jukebox. How do I play the background music? I have a system already. I think I can say event on player interaction. No required tool, no required stamina. I think I can say audio collection. Collection. Spring music collection. Audio collection, play random clip. Play random clip. I don't know why I accept an audio source. Why do I accept an audio source? And why do I have... Oh, this is the old one. Play random clip. I check if source is null. Okay, that's why. So I can choose it or I can ignore it. That's fine. Crazy Mike? Your code is so well organized? Is it? I was just yelled at by Flibix. He yelled at me. He says it looks too much like JavaScript and that I should go home, pack it up, delete all. RM, RS, star. I'm gonna block that, but I see what you're saying. Nah, it's all good. It's all good. Nah, gotta be nice to each other. But I know you're kidding. I know you're kidding. A loner wolf. How's it going? All right, let's put the jukebox in. Let's see what happens. I'll just throw it in the scene. Between us. So let me mute the music and I'll put on the game music.
You and me. Booyah, Grandma. Booyah.
So we just finished adding this item that 99 requested. See what happens? You redeem that and then boom, it's in the game. So there is music playing. I love this song. So if I play this, it doesn't work. Why? Oh, I got an error. It says cannot be converted. Object cannot be converted. Wait, this can't be null? Is that the problem? Yeah, this music's dope. Why can't it be null? I don't understand. What if I just make it this? Still can't. What? This happened to me the other day, and I don't remember what I did to fix it. I do remember. I do remember what I did to fix it. I made another execute. Public void, play, random, clip, no audio source. And then I just left it null. And I threw this. That's what I did. I made it so that there's another function for when it needs to be null. Have you commissioned any of the music, or are the tunes from assets? I commissioned it. A very good friend of mine in real life is an excellent musician. And he was here last Sunday. He just popped in and said hello. And he made me a bunch of songs, and they're incredible. And now I need him to make 100 more songs. Also, guys, give Crazy Mike a follow. He's crazy. And his name is Crazy. His first name Crazy. Last name Mike. Or so I'm told. So jukebox. All right, so instead of calling play random clip, we want to play random clip, no audio source. Only if you want to be called stupid. Crazy Mike is a nickname. No. No. Untrue. Full name is Crazy Mike. Wait. It's playing them all on top of each other. It's playing all the songs on top of each other. So it's not play random clip. It's play random. Yeah. So I need play random. Can I play random clip? No audio source. And then can I pass in the SFX event type? Will it let me do that? Because this will let me say that it's background music and it won't overlap. The last time I tried this, it didn't like it in the inspector. Yes, yes, yes. I know you're missing. I know you're missing. This is one of the things that I don't like about like serializing stuff to expose in the editor. It's just dangerous. Look at that. It doesn't even work. See, I don't know why I can't. Why can't I do that? Any Unity people out there know why I can't just make a simple enum, a property that's passed in. Just doesn't make any sense. It seems it's just an integer. I can make this an int and then just remember in my head which one it is, but it's stupid. You can't create a separate class, but it's not. But this is an enum. It's not even a class. Whatever, man. So we're gonna do play random background music. And then it's going to be of type SFX event dot music type dot music new music. Why did I call it new music? That is stupid. You should be able to pass an enum. I know, but it literally took it out of the list of available functions. How can I add enum menu to game object? Right, yeah, enums know how to serialize when it's just a variable you're choosing from, but it won't show up when it's a property in an event, like an event function call. So here, it lets me pass in an audio source, it doesn't let me pick a an enum from a drop down here. Like it won't serialize here and it just doesn't show up. I'm not smart enough to know why. But yeah, I could pass an int and then remember the name of it, but... Alright, this should work now. Let's mute the music one more time. So now this just randomly plays different background music. Okay, it works. Got a dip. All right, Crazy Mike, thanks for hanging. Thank you for the lurk. Take it easy. All right, we're in. Jukebox is done. 99, thanks for the suggestion. I might have to make it a once a week redeem. It takes like an hour to make a new item. Have a good day. You have a good day too. Or have a good night. Nick, what are you talking about? Be careful. Gotta be nice to people here. You talking to me? I am weird. So the one thing I don't like now, I made the diner, I love the diner, but now the other two interiors I have are garbage. I hate them. Actually, 3 interiors. I have 3 interiors that are garbage, and I have 1 interior that I love, another interior that I like. Like the garden shop I like a lot. The diner I love. Hardware store is almost there. What does the hardware store need to look better? What does it need? Also, this... I didn't realize that this needs to be fixed. The weather snap might. This needs to be like 10? Perfect. Also, what is this giant shadow here? Oh, there's a ceiling. Where did this come from? Oh, it's in the... Oh. Oops, this is supposed to be in the diner scene. That's the diner roof. Nick. This isn't that kind of place. Alright, so do I want a ceiling for the hardware store too? Yeah, I think I do. I think I do. Where did I put it? Wait, where'd it go? I just threw it in something. The internet. Ooh, I want that clip. That's the clip I want. I tried to make the song, "This is a list of the things I like. This list is a list of the things I like." But I rewatched that and it's really raunchy. Yeah, I know clean's a little offensive. I'm not gonna put that one. But the list of the things I like. I don't remember it being that raunchy, so I couldn't add it. Nick. I thought I was top tier diamond gold tier 1. You are. But until you figure out how a redeem works, then, or how a Prime sub works, you'll always get ads. Does he even hear me? Mike, do you hear me? You're still in ad land. Yeah, I don't know when you get ads. Alright. Hey, ceiling. Where did I put it? Where did it go? Invisible ceiling. Oh, I put it in the hardware store. Dumb. It goes here. But I do want one for the hardware store. I thought I was Red Leader 1. How Nook the Nini? How's Andre 3000 saying? How are you doing, Mike? I'm good. I think this is supposed to be 1, yeah. So my new thing now is I'm blocking out the sun in my interiors and adding lights. Staring at Domino while listening to Taylor Swift. You're always doing. Hanging 10. Taking names. What are you guys doing? It's Sunday. Go play in the snow. Is it snowing in New York right now? Anybody know when the new Final Fantasy Rebirth comes out? That is a game I will play. I haven't played a game in a while, but I will play that. So I feel like I don't even notice these lights. I think it's because the color matches the ground so much. And then the spotlights are really soft, so you can't even tell they exist. The release is on Thursday. Oh my god. Ugh. So I'm not going to be able to play for like a long time. Oh wow, I'm not going to be able to play until like May. My PlayStation's on a boat. It's on a boat. I can't play. No. No. This is too many lights. Damn it. It's too many lights. One, two, three, four, five, and then the sunlight makes 6. And then the indirect light makes 7, I think. So maybe I'm at the limit. Oh, and then the player light makes 8. We'll see how it goes. Let's see. So these need to be... We'll see. We'll see. I hate this. I need some help. I need some help finding reference of a better, like, what to put in a hardware store. So I have aisles. And it's got to be a cute hardware store. Cute hardware store. Ooh, these little drawers, yeah. How about adding some big bags with nails and screws on the floor? Just like bags of concrete and stuff. What about army clothing and barbed wire? It's not a thrift store. It's not an army surplus store. What is this? There's so much visual noise. I'm so confused. Ooh, I can add a rack of gloves. Okay, I have gloves, I think. What about tank parts? What about lieutenant's hat and general's badge? The Mike idea fatigue. I've got Mike idea fatigue. It like takes my breath away. But like not in like in shock and awe, in like a gut punch way. What about guns and ammo? I think I just need more greebles. You could do the outside thing and go to a hardware store. What? No. That's crazy. Can't go places. I could employ the use of Mid-Journey. Hey, Mid-Journey. I did this before, but I fed it something. Now, what if I don't feed it? Cute hardware store interior, top-down, top-down, CG render. Right. Colors. Let's see what Midjourney comes up with. What if it were a toy store? Okay, elaborate. Please. And the toys are all army surplus items. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh my god. What did you make me? Mid-Journey. It's just like a lot of shelves and stuff. And they all start fighting until war breaks out. There it is. Wait, and then slowly all the children in town are dressed as... Jesus, Mike. Jesus. What the heck? Thanks, Nightbot. Thanks for changing the mood. This is so funny what Midjourney makes at weird camera angles. Alright, we might have something here. So I forgot to say interior, but it does have this. So this is pretty cool. I like how there's stuff all over the roof. It's just a lot of stuff. I need a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna make some shelves. Yeah, I'm gonna make some shelves and some greebles. And let's just see real quick if this sample room has anything we can grab from. I think there's grocery stores that I might just grab I might just grab stuff from the grocery store and just put it there. Look, there is toy stuff. Mike, is this what you were talking about? Toy tanks? So I might just take the grocery store. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna use these things because they have like just stuff and you don't know what it is. So it might be perfect. All right, perfect. We're gonna do this. We've got a plan. So to grab this, I just need to be like, yo. It's not grabbing the wall. I mean, I guess I don't need the wall. Okay, we're gonna grab that. We're gonna unload the sample scene. Move. Make the hardware scene our active scene. Paste. Perfect. And then group this shit together. Create empty. Nope. Go back. Create empty parent. All right, we did it. Bring this over to the hardware store. And this should help. Just make it a little busier because this was lame. Even this like checkout counter is lame. Whatever. There's only so much you can do, right? Oh no, this is all one object? No, okay. Oh, it is all one object. No! No! I don't need these lights. How's everyone doing on this Sunday? Let's pop this out. Did it put the pivot point somewhere crazy? Of course it did. Doing good. Hoping to fit a motherboard later. Amazon delivers it early enough. Nice. That's dangerous, swapping out the motherboard. Dangerous. You're playing with fire. Haven't forgive my parents for that. My middle name is Danger. Dad joke. Hey yo. Alright, so this is lame. Maybe I can make a nice organized spot for the wood. Part of the problem is just like, this is nice and organized. This is empty. And this is just random decorations smattered around. So what I can do is make an organized place where there's a lot of wood. And that might be better. I'll delete it for now. And then this, maybe we can make it more compact and not Just random and diagonal. So maybe it being compact will actually help. Move this over a bit. A little big. I think all of this assets stuff I've been shrinking to like 0.8. Is that what I've been doing? Oh jeez. Chill. This looks like it gets tucked in the wall. I don't know why, it just does. Does that even help? I feel like I'm making it worse. Can this go here? Yeah, this is the problem with trying to bash, do kit bash. You know, you're just kind of stuck with whatever they give you. Also, I feel like maybe if I make this the same blue, turquoise, light blue, it helps. Maybe this just goes in the back wall. Nab2, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How's it going? How are you today? What was that? Bug report. Oh, I done an oopsie. I unlocked the Alpine Trail Forest area, cut down the purple vines, and went in what looked like a cave. How did you get in there? How did he get in there? Nab, how are you? Welcome in. Sorry, yeah, I should mute it, right? It's just that that's where people are bug reporting, so. Amazing. He must have glitched into the cave. I love that. I love that you can glitch into things. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, I love that emote. I'm gonna stalk you for a second. Feel free to introduce yourself, Nab. I'm assuming you stream. Because you got those cool emotes. Wait, let me... That looks like from Adventure Time. Is that from Adventure Time? Well, maybe I can reuse this if I rotate it. Get some bang from a buck. I can butt these up against each other, maybe? Oh, these shelves are empty. Nope. Wait, what? Nab2 says I rarely stream usually. Why do you know that? What is happening? Am I missing something? According to Google Translate from their About page. Ah. I see. So maybe I'll actually, okay, new plan. I'm gonna take this hardware register. I'll move it over here. We're just gonna do that. And then these things. You're practicing listening to English. I want you to know that I want to try to talk to you. All right, well, this is the place. It doesn't get too complicated here. Welcome in, welcome in. And if you want to practice chatting, you know, feel free to ask anything. Do I got the AMA tag? I do. AMA. Ask me anything. Right now, we're just redesigning this hardware store because I don't like it currently. Alright, so this is going to go in the corner. Then this one is going to go here. I don't want it to block the window, but you know. C'est la vie. Nothing we could do about it. Wait, yes, there is. So yeah, I'm gonna line. So these are the items you can buy. I'm gonna line them up in the center of the store. Maybe that'll look better. I don't know. You have a question, Mike. Can you put a bear trap somewhere in the game, hidden under some grass, so an unsuspecting character can get clamped? Moving on. Moving on from that. Maybe I can put this over here in the corner. No, I hate it. I hate this hardware store so much. You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? This is drastic, but I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna make it smaller so I don't have to fit in stuff. That's it. We're done. We're done trying to fill in stuff. I'm just gonna make the dang thing smaller. Oh my god. And then we're gonna enter from here now. And this can go away. Why didn't I do this sooner? It's just wasting my time. There's like a hole in the hill. There's a hole in the hill to the left. How did he get in there? That's so weird. Oh, I have a question. Can you release a ravenous coyote into the game? You can feast on some of the characters. You might need a few bear trap. Stop it. Stop it, Mike. All right, I like it more than I did before. I still don't love it. I still hate it. But it's better. Do I do all the parts of this game? Yeah, I do.
You look like a man I could be a best friend with.
This is a solo endeavor. You know, I did make the music, so I was talking earlier. A friend made the music. And I do make use of asset packs. You know, I don't make all these models. I make a lot of them. You know, it's kind of hard to... It's hard to just make everything from scratch. I don't think it's smart because you'll run out of time. That is nowhere near the wall. Oh, that's annoying. Looks like you can't fit through there. Do I care? And this thing is not quite on the nav. Do I care that that is not... Okay, now you can fit. That looks like a dangerous place. Looks like a dangerous place for you to get stuck. If I rotate it like diagonally, does that look stupid? Does that look stupid? Yeah, it does. There's no cohesion to this zone. That's my problem with it. There's just no cohesion. But it's better. It's better than it was before. What about a nematode? Nematodes aren't real. Prove it. The feng shui is off. Yeah. It definitely is. It's got no feng shui. None. Alright, I don't need all these lights now because we're smaller. Alright, the lighting's not great, but it'll do for now. Actually, what I should probably do is add a light that comes from outside. Something like this. Reloaded the game, you're back at the end? That is good. Yeah, let's see that bug Jay just hit, because you shouldn't be allowed to get into the caves. Like Luke A. So there was a little hole next to the cave. To the left of the cave is like a hole in the wall, and I was curious, so I went in there. To the left of the cave was a hole in the wall. Where? I mean, I know what I can do to just stop it. I'll just remove that. I can just remove that warp for now. Oh, I did. Wait. Make loop A to the cave entrance. Wait, how did he... It is hidden. How did he get in there? I have it hidden. There's no way to get into the caves. That's crazy. How did he get in there? Right? This is weird. It's weird. There's no way to get into the caves. Maybe back here? How many dragons are in the game? So far, none. So far. Wink, wink, hint, hint. Ultimately, there will be none, so... I want to put a blueprint up here to make you think you can get it. And it's going to piss people off for now, because there'll be no way to get it. You guys are going to hate me. How many handsome knights are in there? So far, no knights, but I will be adding some knights. Honestly, bad. How are ya? Welcome back.
You look like a man I could be a best friend with.
Honestly, how you doing? I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I added a new item to the game, and ticking through some of these alpha notes still. Just having a chill Sunday. So this was fixed, actually. This I don't care about. So what? It doesn't break the game. Generated reviews get too long. Mickey didn't show preferences. I cannot recreate that. Oh, there is no Mickey. That's right. I didn't know what that meant. Oh, Mike. Mike showed up in the calendar, never used the bed, gave me a good review after does not show up in guest list, though. That is strange. You're a 3D animation student. I dream of making my own indie game. Nice. Nab, if you want to share any of your work, you can share some links with me. Share some links and I'll happy to look at your work. Midjourney did something else for me. Should I even look at it? Yeah, it's just like so much stuff. I'm not sure what to do about it. Well, we're gonna move on from the hardware store. And Katrina said, I know that it's JavaScript. It's not JavaScript. Sorry. It's C#. Just looks like JavaScript. They're very similar. Bessler, oh my god. Nurkmind. Oh my god. I'm on your TV? That's weird. Hey mom, on TV. That's amazing. That's great. Okay, what else should we do now? What else should we do? Should we do some playtests? Just to figure out what to do next? I feel like the alpha's like, it's solid. It doesn't break anymore. And that makes me feel like I can move on to bigger and better things. Like implementing some new systems like, I'm surprised Twitch doesn't have an official Roku app. Yeah, it actually should. CoSpace, welcome back. Yeah, how come Twitch doesn't have an app like YouTube and all these? They all have an app. I never thought to throw Twitch on the TV. I mean, I guess I have that too. I do have the power. Okay. There was one thing I wanted to do. I got that new Big Amy, I bought the Humble Bundle using your reference link. Thanks, Mike. Of course, I'm cleaning up and I need something to distract me. It's funny when the TV talks back to you, isn't it? Did you know that I could see you too? I can watch you vacuum. Yeah. Oh, you missed the spot. Thanks for using my partner link. The one with Pure Nature 2. It had like a bunch of stuff like zombies and low poly nature and I don't know, I had a bunch of other things, but I just wanted Pure Nature 2. And I might throw that in there just to see what it's like. I'm just afraid to import it. It's such a big pack, you know? I hate bringing in all these big packs, excuse me. This is my classwork. Let's check it out. Oh, looks like Final Fantasy ended. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love it. It's so cute. Oh my god. It's so cute. I want to see it again. Oh my god. Yo, that's really good. That's really, really good. It's just like concise, simple, tells a really good story. It's funny, it's cute, it's appealing. I think you've got a future in 3D animation. I know that for a fact. Alright, so apparently the Final Fantasy VIII music's a little creepy. We're gonna switch over to some lo-fi. Good stuff, Nab. Good stuff. Yeah, what software do you use? You love lo-fo? Is that like evil lo-fi? I was thinking of the Unity bundle for the zombie voices too. Oh yeah, because your side project's a zombie game, isn't it? Okay, let's peruse the list one more time. I'm gonna go line by line, and I'm gonna sort them as I go through. So there's an infinite load issue. Reproduction. Start the game. Start a new scene. Go to main menu from settings. Start a new scene, and then zone to town. Okay, let's check that out. Let's see if that. I think I fixed that. Start menu. Gotta start from the start menu. There is a problem when you go to main menu and then you go into a save file. Everything's all messed up because the singletons don't refresh properly. So I do need to address that eventually. So to recreate this bug, start a new game, go back to the main menu, start a new game, go to town. Okay, new game. How do you model the big trees? That was actually a pack, but it is an alpha map for all the leaves. Everlasting Media, oi, what's up? Wait, Stella can't be. I gotta take out Stella. There's already an NPC named Stella. He can't be called Stella. So yeah, I didn't make that giant tree, but I did make a. Oh, whoa. What happened? I added a new button. I knew that was gonna mess stuff up. Input. I gotta go back to the core scene. Oops, core scene. I already found more bugs. God damn it. Input system. What did I do? What did I do? Looks like I don't initialize the new button I made. Or do I initialize them? Public static. Here. Oh, yep, I didn't add it here. Escape button equals new button data. Input button event type dot escape. Alright, fixed. Just cracked QEMU again? What do you mean you cracked it? You hacking? I'm hesitating jumping back into Unity since I'm the whole CEO since the whole CEO snafu. Yeah, don't let it scare you. Don't let it scare you. Use what you know, use what you like. Am I on Mike's TV too? Oh my god, I'm on everyone's televisions. Nice hold frame. Ridiculous. It's like I'm eating. I guess by that cave with the boards that you're not using Unity terrains. No. No, I like the modular I liked the modular look, and I actually used the modular look to keep my creativity basically to add constraints. You know, if you use terrain, you're free to do whatever, right? You're free to make any kind of layout you want, and that gets complicated. fast. Skytech, what up? How's it going? You were on Settlix's stream yesterday, right? Or was that Practicals? Were you on Practical's stream yesterday? Is that where I saw you? How's it going? This game was linked last night on NPC, right? Practical NPCs, yep. Yeah, how you doing? Yeah, it's my mental bounding box. Yeah. So if I was gonna go the terrain route, then I didn't want that much freedom, you know. So I went the modular pieces route. All right, I think that's fixed now. Let's do it again. So we're doing some playtesting. Trying to fix a bug that I think I already fixed. Took the kids and the dog to the park. Now it's time to do some client work. I like having another dev in the background. Nice. Yeah. I like that about Twitch too. I was working on Practical's Art Jam yesterday while he was making the page. I actually started it. And I'm making something disgusting. Alright, so new game. If I go to new game, finish, some random values. What's your freelance gig? Is it development? Art? No, you said you're a developer. You were talking about stick figure art. Okay. Okay. Oh no. This is the problem. I knew this would happen. Yeah, the escape keys. Every time I exit something, it's going to open up the pause menu. I was just thinking about that the other day. I'm going for a kind of Skyrim-ish feel, but I think I'm going to have to build my own terrain system if I come back to Unity. Just because Unity's preserved tree prototype layers is broken, which lets you interact with terrain-placed objects, like harvesting trees. Lots of reasons for a custom system, really. Yeah, the Lord Kenny, how's it going? Welcome back. The terrain system is confusing too. Yeah, all my trees are interactable as well, and I would have had the same issue. All right, so go to the main menu, and then make a new game, and then I'll get into the infinite load bug. Do I stream every day? I have been lately. I've been streaming 6 days a week these past few weeks. Oh, look at that. I got a bug. Yeah, it's gonna fail. It's totally gonna fail. Ambient sound effects trigger. This thing lost the connection to the dialogue system, so it
the
failed.
army had taken advantage of Buster's childlike interest in games.
This is so much more fun than just the fur.
And his childlike inability to distinguish between games and reality. So they set him up as a drone pilot here.
We did it. We recreated this bug. You know what? I'm going to put you on my TV as well. You freelance mostly working as a contractor for multiple studios, so mostly game dev stuff, but also some software that uses Unity. The only one you could publicly see at the moment is Nest Heads, which has a nice little Kickstarter. Yeah, if you want to share any of your stuff, share what you're working on. I'd love to see. So the problem is, this is not my plugin. It's because all these triggers they rely on the dialogue system existing, and then the dialogue system despawns, and it doesn't respawn fast enough or something. I don't know. Smart detection. I don't know why it's blocking that. Let's check it out. Wait, allow. I've seen this before. Wait, train your minibot. That is crazy. This is fun. So it's like a platformer puzzle game? Very cool. Nice, nice. And what's this one? Nest Heads, the game in your brain. Ooh, that's cute. A cute solution to the mental health crisis. Interesting. Oh, they hit their goal. That's nice. Ending soon? Is it over? Last updated November. Yeah, it's over. Quite proud of it. Originally was a jam game, but 3 years later it shipped as a commercial. Nice. Very cool. Good stuff. This is cute. I always scroll to the bottom of Kickstarters and see who backed these crazy big ones. So none. 2 people gave $1,000. It's crazy. Gave 500. Nice. It's good when you can develop those jam games further. Yeah. I recommend anyone trying to get into game dev, do game jams. Like, don't start making a game. Start learning how to make games, then enter game jams. Then you can decide what kind of game you want to make after you've made a few. Because you don't want to make your dream game first. You want to save that until you got the chops. All right, so how the hell am I going to deal with this? This is not my plugin. I can just throw some code in here and just like back out, or I can just stop using dialogue system triggers because they seem to be messing stuff up. Let's stop using dialogue system triggers. Done. So that was the in. Oh, sorry. I think I missed some chats. Sorry for the wall of text. No, of course. Lord Kenny, it's going well. How are you doing? I'm doing some stuff in Blender. Nice, nice. Drop links. Drop images. So where was that trigger? Audio trigger. Night ambience? No. Triggers? Ambient sound effects. It was this one. Oh, look at this. I've got a missing thing. Play audio clip. Play sound effects ambience. Interesting. Looks like I broke this. And it also looks like I don't use it. Play ambient sound effects. On start. I'm gonna delete this. Well, okay, I'm gonna hide it. Because I think the ambient sound effects start elsewhere. I don't think I even use that anymore. Everlasting Media, thank you for the Twitter follow. I've been trying to get it into Twitter lately. If anyone's on Twitter. Do I have a thing? Twitter. Yeah. We'll follow each other. Let's get to know each other. I hear rain. So the birds don't chirp when it's raining. Let me fast forward to the next day when it's not raining and see if the birds come out. The crickets come out. You think the crickets should do that when it's raining? It's raining again, damn it. One more time. Okay. So we have birds. They've played. A bit! Gamey, thank you for the bit. Be back in a bit. Thank you for the lurk. Alright, let me start the game, because that seemed to be the problem. It's on start. Similar noise when the frogs come out. Oh, I should have frog sound effects then. I hear birds. Looks like yeah, looks like I don't even use this anymore. It was broken, and now it's just throwing errors. Broken. Now I can delete it. All right, maybe that fixed the bug. Let's try this again. Go back to the start menu. Crickets run indoors when it rains. Oh no. Is that why they go indoors? New game. Random. Finished. Random, random, random. No errors. Escape. Got it. Main menu. No errors. New game. Here we go. Random, random, random. Finished. Random, random. Stella again. That's rare. No errors. No errors. That's good. If I run to town, this is where the infinite load screen happens. Ooh, look at that. Okay. So the warp system. The warp system must hold a reference to the player that was despawned, and now we have a new player. So this is where my singletons are coming back to haunt me. If I go back to debug, player warper. The player warper is missing. So I need these singletons either. I know what you're supposed to do with singletons is if a new one spawns, we delete the new one so we keep the old one. But the only way a new one would ever spawn is if we've lived is this situation where it's a new game. So I kind of want to just I want the new one to eat the old one. If any pro devs out there, how dirty is this going to be if I eat the old one? What camera am I using? This is my MacBook Pro like built-in cam. And I have a sharpen filter on the video, so it is a little blurrier normally, but it's pretty good. This is what it actually looks like. So it's not great, but with the sharpen filter, it looks like higher res than it is. Yeah. I'm so stupid. I had a Sony A1. I had one of the Sony mirrorless, like really nice cameras, and I stupidly sold it because I'm like, I don't need this. I don't use this anymore. And then I realized I could have been using that as my stream camera. Shouldn't have sold it. That was stupid. What does the singleton hold? Just a reference to the player? Well, I have like 20 singletons, and they all do different stuff. And every single one of them holds some kind of data related to the game. and I want to refresh it. So I'm going to start one at a time. Warp system. I could have a re-init. Like, if another one does load, it tells the original one to re-init. Finger crossed chance exorcism spell. Is that the exorcism of the old Singleton? I'm sad an Apple built-in is looking better than my dedicated Logicam. Those Logicams are cheap. Those are garbage. Why not just inject the new player into it when you load the game? Because the only way the Singleton knows we're loading is when that happens. Wait, this isn't even a Singleton. The warp system is not a Singleton. It's the game okay, the game manager. Okay, so on awake. Look at that, I already do this. If the instance is not null, we destroy the instance. And then we become the new instance. Welcome back, Sky Ninja. Glares at Evil Fruit Company. Yeah, they make good products though. You can't deny it. I like the simplicity of the Mac ecosystem. Windows is like going to a thrift store for clothing. And Apple is like going to a department store with aisles. That makes sense. I just feel sane. That's weird. I already do this. I already get new values. It seems like a few fave redeemables. Yeah. Is Booyah Grandma your favorite one? Oh, what happens? I'm on Android Linux. Oh, I can't do that. But I've been using Windows so long, Apple software makes me feel limited in a box. It's a cozy little box though. It's a cozy little box. Nothing bad can happen to you in it. It's possible. What's happening? What the hell is happening here? Let's throw some prints. Finding new player. New instance overwritten. Init Singleton. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. This is a pretty big bug. Also, everyone, thanks for hanging out with me on this Sunday. And all the new follows. Appreciate it. I hope you're co-working with me. I know a few of you are co-working with me and doing other stuff. I like that vibe. I like that we're all just hanging out and doing work together. I have horror stories with Apple, but I won't bother with you. I won't bother you with it. You can tell me some horror stories. Alright, new game. Making some plan for marketing my game at the moment. Is that working? Yeah, marketing is working. What's your marketing plan? What are you going to do next? It's Show Me Sunday. Hashtag Show Me Sunday. Currently blendering some retopo for a dwarf dude I'm working on for a client. Nice. I like retopo. It's really soothing. All right, so we're in here. We initted the singleton, and we... Wait, we didn't load the player. What? Init singleton. Player equals none. Finding new player. It looks like I manually set it. Wait a minute. What? It's the player character, Warper. Oh, okay. It doesn't have to be an instant. It's not even a singleton. That's not the problem. Everything referencing this scriptable reference, that's the problem. Got it. I know what to do now. I know it's wrong. I have to, every time I check for these scriptable references, I need to make sure they're not null. Warp system. So it's this player. So anytime I reference this thing, player warper. Let's just do private player warper. Get player warper. And then I do this every time. And then I return player warper. If player warper is not equal null, get to player warper. And then if player warper equals null, so this is a safe way to set it and get it at the same time. So here I do that stupid question mark check. I'm not going to do that anymore. But it seems like it needs to be really safe. If player warper is not equal null, then I'll do this. I'm not going to do this question mark bullshit. Irish John scared me away from that. I'm not doing that anymore. Bloop. I'm not completely sure yet. I'm making a puzzle game, and I'm thinking of making the level editor and making a new, a level design competition and have people win keys for the game, and then use some of the good levels for the game. That's a lot of work to make a level editor. Like a playable level editor. Not sure if it would be interesting. I think people love contests. Yeah, you shared your game yesterday called Toolbox, right? No, Block Shop. Is it Block Shop? Block Shop. Feel free to drop a link. Let people wishlist it. And play it, right? Is there a demo? No demo. Not yet. I made one for Train Your Minibot. Having one makes it so your game can be endlessly replayable with community maps. Yeah, once you do it, it's like, creates infinite game loop, which is great. It's just really hard. The demo's an itch. Yeah, feel free to drop the itch link too. All right, so where... Oh my god, dog, stop licking yourself. Ah! So we do it here too. Just want to do it safely. No question mark. Where else do we do it? Okay. That was safe. So that's safe. We're good. That's strange, though. Oh, yeah, man. Anytime I do a scriptable reference, which is a lot. I do that so much. How did you make the level shareable? Do you have a backend server? Or do you find a way to store the info in a hex or something? Honestly, if you're making a level-based game, do yourself a favor and make the first thing you do an in-game level editor. Then make your entire game using that editor instead of Unity. That's smart. You save the levels as JSONs and then share them via Steamworks Workshop. That's smart, yeah. All right, these new games are piling up. I'm gonna delete some. Where did they go? They go to library. Where's library? Library, app support, Mossy Grove Games. The grinder spawns a table saw? No! I fixed that. Grinder spawns a grinder. SP decor grinder. Grinder. Decor grinder. Table saw. Damn it! Sorry, Sky Ninja. Caveman. Maybe a good idea. I may have to work on something like that for the ship component system I've got. At the moment, it's scriptable objects, but imagine I could wire up a JSON scriptable object and vice versa. Yeah. Although I want a ship on Switch eventually, so I'll have to switch to storing those on a storefront agnostic server. Yeah. Yeah, Steam makes it nice and comfy to be in their ecosystem, but then once you want to branch out, it's like, oh, now I gotta make it again. It's almost, yeah, it's like a false security blanket. Hey, here's a bunch of tools. Use our tools, and now you're trapped. No need to be sorry. I'm a bug finder. Yeah, you are. JSON is very small too, since it's just plain text. Yeah. I use JSON files to save Alpine Lake, and it's great. If I need to pop in there, I can just see what's going on. And if you want to cheat, go for it. What's the point of that? Yeah, Steamworks so easy to quickly develop. You're just on their platform, but man, wanting to expand beyond that. Yep. Oh my god, the dog is still licking herself. Going to town. Although Epic Games Services is platform agnostic, so I might use that in future projects. Really? So you can release something on Switch and use Epic Games like services? All right, new game. Pause. Main menu. Mute the audio. New game again. Groundbreaking. That's pretty cool. I might need to look into that. Yeah. Epic Game will let any build connect regardless of platform. That's really smart. Yeah, they're trying to compete, right? So they're doing a lot of things that are they'll change that eventually. All right, we didn't get any errors. That's good. Oh wait, we didn't get any errors before until we tried to warp. So try to warp. Boom. All right, we fixed that one. But we're not out of the woods because so I have a scriptable object called scriptable reference, which is just a reference to a game object in the game. And anytime you load a new game, every single scriptable reference breaks. So what I should probably do is I should have a convenience function that just automatically gets the new one if it's null. Seth! You didn't get a notification. Oh no. It's a good thing you're here. And like Steamworks, they don't charge for the API usage. That's good. That's key. I was looking at Pirate Software's YouTube shorts yesterday, and one of his shorts was that he has like a calculator for how much it costs Twitch to do streams, and with 8,000 viewers, concurrent viewers, an HD stream going for as many hours as he goes for, it costs them $4,000. Like, just for that one stream, it costs Twitch $4,000 to let that happen. And that seemed crazy to me. Like, how is Twitch making money? That's Amazon's calculator. Is that wrong? I think they do it because they want more people to use their community API for things like friends, inviting, yeah. So having them as your primary service makes it more likely you'll add those support while you're at it. I wouldn't mind, you know, releasing Alpine Lake on the Epic Game Store. You know, a game that I use as reference that I really like playing is Ooblets, and Ooblets actually got a grant from Epic Games and an exclusive one-year contract just to release on Epic Games first, and they got like a bunch of money up front. And I feel like I would do that, probably. Surprise, no more Steam for a year. I don't know why people care that much. I guess it's because the achievements. Can't you just make achievements, though? I mean, you can make that stuff universal. You can transfer your data over. It's a save file. Why not? I think it makes sense if you get offered the exclusive, but man, games that ship on both have said that Epic results in less than a percentage of their sales. Yeah, I think if it's on Steam, you're going to get it in Steam. But if it's only on Epic, you know, it might drive some people to get it. And if it helps you get the game done. And that's key, right? You got to get that game done. All right, so this is fixed, but we have this introduced a huge problem. Like, mega problem. Mega problem. Give me the money. Yeah. You can't make games without money. Scriptable reference. So here's the problem.
Video games are the wave of the future, Jim.
Yeah, they are. Especially puzzle games. 100% offer me the exclusive timed release. I'll take it. I won't expect people to buy it, but I need that money as an indie. Hells yeah. It's hard. I did a big push to try and get a publisher last June. It was before I had a Steam page. It was before I had an alpha. I just had a trail. I don't even think I had the trailer yet. Yeah, I didn't even have a trailer yet. I just had a pitch deck and some videos, some devlog videos. And I did this huge push, and I got no interest. And then I knew, all right, we're doing this on our own. Did that bug anyone? I know. So I got yelled at because someone liked this format, but no. I like this format. So the reference. Oh, look at that. Wait a minute. Look at this. Scriptable reference. So actually it has it built in already. If I get it and it's null, it just instantiate reference. I didn't even know that was a thing. What does indie mean? Indie game. Like an independent game, you know, independent game developer, someone not part of a big company, or at least, or part of a small team, you know, without mega funds from mega companies. We're indies, you know. So it looks like this already has a system built in, and when I set it, I dispatch it. Oh, I didn't even know this was part of the scriptable reference. That's so smart. So, okay, the player. Where's the player scriptable reference? I feel like in today's market, you already need public success and visibility for a publisher to be interested. Yeah. Yeah, it's really bad right now. It's not going to stop us, though. Here it is. These are all my scriptable references. Instantiate reference. So if it's null, it will make one. I didn't even know this existed. So all these scripts, what I'm doing is I'm grabbing the value and then saving it into its own property. But I don't need to do that. I could just keep grabbing value. And this is gonna be the hard part. If I control F, scriptable reference. How many scripts use this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Do I have to go one by one? Out of curiosity, if you don't mind talking about it, how much wishlist do you have for your game right now? I don't mind talking about it. So my Steam page has been up since last September. So it's been about 5 months, 5 or 6 months. And I have 800 and... What do I got? I got 882 wish lists. I've had a couple of spikes from some reposts on Twitter, a Reddit post that I made got a big spike. Irregular Human, thank you for the raid. Welcome in, welcome in. How you doing? How you doing? How was your stream? Let me introduce myself while you grab some links to post. My name is Andrew. Working on a game called Alpine Lake. It's a cozy Innkeeper-Sim. Let me play the trailer. Irregular. How you doing? Stream was not too shabby. Got a lot of stuff done. Nice, nice. What'd you get done? I want deets. I want the deets. I'm actually following you, but I've never caught your stream yet. I don't know what you're working on. In bedroom bathtubs? That is a mood. Yeah, we're going for like 1890s New York City. Bathroom in the kitchen. In my dungeon generation, I added some loot that is spawned now randomly as well. Nice. Pet the dog, 11 out of 10, of course. It's a horror game with procedural generated dungeons and mazes. Ooh. Very cool. Very cool. I'm really bad with horror games. I can't play them. I'm a wimp. Do you have any screenshots or trailers or Steam page or anything you want to share? Okay, so you just came in when I was in the middle of like discovering a catastrophic issue with how I set up a lot of stuff. Every single one of these scriptable reference calls, I need to go there and rewrite the entire script of how it calls it. Your trailer says coming 2024. Yeah. All right. I do know. Yeah, let me switch that. Trailer big. Properties. So I have a new trailer that just removes that. Let me grab that. Boom. Open. Okay, there we go. Should be the right one now. In Mercenary Camp's Discord, there's a page called Echo Shred. There are a couple of screenshots. My game looks good, by the way. Thank you, thank you. Let me check out. I'm in Mercenary Camp. I'm in there. Mercenary Camp. Where's that thread? Is it in Showcase? Or is it its own thread? Can you send a link? Can't find it. Under community projects. Under community projects. I see general, game dev, showcase, art. I don't see a community projects. I might not see all of the channels. Channels and roles. I want to view all. Browse channels. Yeah, I'm not following a bunch. Follow category. Oh, weird. Okay, there it is. Sticks appease the cheese. I still don't see it. Alright, we got a link anyway. Thank you. Oh, it's in Echo Shred. I see. Oh, is Echo Shred... Echo Shred is yours. Okay, so... Oh, I see. I didn't know that Nurkmine did that. He made channels for people's projects. I didn't know that. I didn't even have that that whole category visible. I don't want to give away usernames, so I'll just do this. Are we in Unity? Nice, testing, picking stuff up, throwing it. Ooh, in the grinder. Oh, that's fun. Oh, I love that effect. That's cool. Nice door on him. Very juicy. Very sharp. What is this guy? Oh, this is you going live? Oh, it's getting moody now. Flashlight, of course. Nice cookie. It's too creepy for me. I can't play creepy games. The grinder is one of the main mechanics. I got a grinder in my game. It's very wholesome. It makes concrete. Grinders are creepy. Yeah, they were all over my Instagram for a while. As like satisfying videos where stuff just got grinded. That got big for a while. That was nice. Oh, I saw this. I saw this on Nurkmine's stream. Right? Or no, did I see this? Where did I see this? I saw this on someone's stream. Nice. What is this, Substance? Is it Substance Designer? Or is this Blender? Is this straight up in Blender? This is Blender. Yeah, Blender. Very cool. Alright, everyone, give a regular human follow. Thanks for sharing. A grinder that's... I'm sorry, Sky Ninja. It's fixed now. It's fixed, I promise. Let me double check that I fixed the table saw too. Does the table saw spawn a table saw? Table saw, table saw, table saw. Table saw, table saw. Okay. Alright, this is a rabbit hole I did not want to go down. But I feel like I stole a bit too much of your stream. This is what streams are for. So we technically fixed this, but... Oh my god. Discovered that every scriptable reference needs to be refactored. So we always check for null entries. Can't believe it. I can't believe it. So I'm gonna do it on a few and just see how long it's gonna take me, and then I'll decide if I want to just table it. Because this is only a problem if you start a new game, go back to the main menu, and then start a new game. How often are people gonna be doing that? Oh my god, I call it so often. Maybe I just need to listen for new game began and then reinit these. Probably more often than you think. Yeah. Alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw an event that says new game started. And then all these are going to listen for that. And they'll refresh their values without having to check every time we get this. Okay. All right. That's a little more manageable. It's going to be a lot of coding, but we'll get through it. We'll get through it together. And it's going to be boring, so please keep distracting me, keep dropping links to your work. Does it happen on loading a game? So when you originally load the game, all these values fill in perfectly. But because some of these are singletons, oh, actually, yeah, I only need to do this for the singleton. Because the other ones get re-initted anyway. Oh, okay. Caveman, you just knocked this list down to like 5 things. So I only need to do this for the singletons, which are scripts, systems, player systems, nav mesh system, okay. Player reference. I already do the check here, look at that. Oh, that's on start. Since how long have you been streaming, like in general? I started streaming, my first stream was like July 29th of last year. So about 6.5, 7 months. Spark Joy, hells yeah. Biscuits, how's it going? I found coding is a lot more interesting when I have a monster chasing me while trying to do it. So do you play the game while working on it at the same time? What's the monster's name? Steven? Also Risky, how's it going? Guys, give Risky Biscuits a follow as well. Working on a really cool, another horror game. We got 2 horror devs right here. Irregular and Risky, do you guys know each other? Ah, thank you for the follow. Is that code for deadlines, publishers? Zeke, are you talking to Risky? It's Steve, and yeah, he's persistent. We've seen each other on Nurkmine stream a couple of times. Yeah, you're both working on horror games. Risky's working on a horror game where you learn Morse code at the same time while having these monsters chase you. It's pretty nuts. So player agent. If player agent equals null, fail. Player agent's null. I don't want to fail player agent's null. Rebuild triggered? What? Player agent equals null. I want to keep doing this. Just want to call start again. Same here. Call start again. You gonna go relax on the couch? Yeah. Thank you for the lurk and thanks for the raid. Seriously. Have a nice relaxing Sunday. Okay, so we only need to do this for the singletons. This is a singleton, right? Yep. Is player state a singleton? No. None of these are singletons. Oh my god. Ugh. Schedule system is. No, it's not. We're safe. Systems, here we go. Spawn guest system. You're a singleton. Okay. So these 2 things need to be saved. So, get in. But you know what I do here? I get the in, but I I get the inn everywhere. I feel like I should just make this part of the game manager. Care to see some random blendering? Hells yeah, media. Let's see it. This is why I like to hub my managers. Making large scale thing across all of them seems so easy. I do have them all organized in a place. It's just this is a weird. This is a particularly weird thing. What the hell is this spawn location? Why am I retyping this? So I only want to do this if in is null. So if in is not null, return. If spawn location is not null, return. Oops. Oh, this is a big script. I didn't realize. Ooh, tweets. We got tweets. Ooh, that's pretty. This is nice. Good stuff. It's a nice, nice view count. Good stuff. Good stuff. Very nice. It's pretty. Is that, are you just making images for fun, or is that going to be part of a game? Okay, this is one of these scenarios where I feel like I should be, because I call this thing like 18 times. What? 18 times. Not good. Do I even save the inn in the manager here? No, I have no. Oh, I do have a reference to the inn. Okay. Nothing is ever going to have a reference to the inn ever again. We're always going to get it statically from the in-game manager, and this already does the thing that I'm doing. So I'm just going to do that. That'll solve all my problems. So I'm going to get rid of this. It's going to throw a bunch of errors. I'm going to get rid of all the errors. I'm going to get rid of this. And then everywhere I see in, I want to refactor it so that it's, I basically want to refactor it so that it's inkeep game manager dot instance dot in. That's it. Right? And then I want to basically find all instances and do this, and do this, this. I hope this doesn't mess things up. That was 2 hours practice round, just trying to check the pulse on my abilities. Yeah. Oh, what's your 3D experience? So you're brand new to Blender and making stuff like that? That's great. Okay, that should fix that. So now the spawn locations reference. I do need to take care of this one, which is only 8 calls. And 4 of them are the setters. So this is much easier. I'll just do this. If it's null, then we break out, but we need to get it first. Practical NPC, holy moly, how's it going? How you doing? Good morning or good afternoon. Guys, if you don't know Practical NPC, you're missing out. He's working on a precision platformer named Memori. Just launched a Kickstarter. Success in 2 hours? That's crazy. It's going. How are things over here? Things are really good over here. I'm finding massive bugs. And when I fix them, the game doesn't break. Sky Ninja has put in, what, 15 hours into the alpha? There's only like 1 hour of playable content. And he's played it for 15 hours and he's just finding all the bugs. It's crazy. Alright, I think we're good there. Can you drop a link to your Steam page so people can wishlist it? Or if you want to share your Kickstarter page, you know, feel free to drop it. It's cool. I started working on your art jam. I started making something absolutely ridiculous, but I love it. I didn't read the rules yet, so it might not be allowed, but I'm doing it anyway. All right, I think we're good here. So only the singletons needed to be updated, and that's all of them. I agree, defy the rules. Yeah, you're Skytech, you're all about defying the rules. All right, we're good. This bug is, I'm gonna consider this one squished. We're done. Oh my god, discovered, okay. Done. This one, not game breaking. I'm gonna move it out of game breaking bugs. It's fine. Okay, after building the first 2 rooms, the UI, this is not game breaking, it's just controller bullshit. Skytech wants to find all the flaws in my rules, yeah. And without using a lawyer, too. End of chat soft locks the game. All right, this is the last game-breaking one. Let me find all the instances. Let me double check. I don't think this happens anymore. That nobody should soft lock the game anymore. I swear I fixed this one already. Basic. We'll go one by one. Carlos, chats. Look at that. We end. You're fine. Melissa, chats. You're fine. This is gonna take a minute. Sorry, everyone. Is that a challenge? Soft locks, here we come. Ooh, here's a soft lock. Okay, we found one. Jeff soft locks the game. All right, we found one. Create child node. All right, found one. Requiem, what's up? How are you? I'm still here, Evie. I'm still here. I'm still going. It's only been 3 hours. If I can hit this, so once I hit this last game-breaking bug, I'm gonna upload a new build and then I'll work on something newer. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So Jeff definitely soft locked the game. I can't believe I didn't see that. Does Eugene? Eugene shouldn't, because, all right, I'll make sure it doesn't. I'll just remove that. You're in specular highlight hell right now? What does that mean? I'm crazy, bro? Nah. 3 hours ain't nothing. This guy, Practical NPC, did like a 30-hour stream the other day. That's crazy. Man, my body hurts after 4. Can't imagine what 24 hours does to you. Jeff has never soft locked the game for you? It's because you might not have reached the end of his story chats. Oh yeah, so who has soft locked the game for you, Sky Ninja? You would know. Gave the game a try yesterday night. Can't wait to go back. Thank you. Thank you for trying it. Appreciate it. Why can't I select this thing? Why can't I select this? Gimme. Everlasting Media says, I can stream for 30 hours, but then I'll need 8 days to recover and try to repair relationships with friends again. Yeah, my body will break down. Excuse me. No one soft locks the game for you? Okay, so this isn't a real bug? Jeff, I think Jeff will. I think Jeff definitely will. Ruby's good. Chats with Paul. Nah, Paul shouldn't. Perch shouldn't. Luigi doesn't even have chats. You can't chat with Luigi. Oriole does. No, Oriole's good. I don't think I'll ever do another 30-hour stream until the last day of the Kickstarter. You gonna do it again? Careful. You gotta be careful. Too old. I'm not even that old, and I'm too old. I finished everyone's story, just not Jeff's story. So there you go. Go finish Jeff's story and see if he soft locks you. But in all seriousness, it was too much? Yeah, of course. I saw someone streaming, they casually went for 12 hours, and I'm like, that's so long, I'm stressed for them. And then they logged off finally, I'm like, phew, okay, I feel better. And then they logged right back on like 30 minutes later because they were just eating. It's like, oh my god. Oh my god, how do you guys do this for so long? Jules definitely has issues. But we're gonna ignore Jules for now. And Benji only says one thing, he's fine. And then Stella chats. Stella's fine. Alright, so nobody should soft lock anymore. We're good. We're done. We're done. Oh yeah, did my new Steam trailer get updated? Ah, crap. The page reloaded. I don't know if it uploaded. Ah. Alright, I'll have to do it off stream later. Stacy. Is Nightbot spamming too much? Requiem, do you have some kind of public backlog so we don't spam you with the same issues over and over? If you look at the private Discord channel and scroll, not really. I don't have, it's not like organized. If anyone has suggestions for how to log bugs in an organized fashion, let me know. I should probably do forum style Discord, and then I can drop an emote on it that's like done. But if you see a green check, if you see a green check emote on any of the stuff in the Discord channel, that means I hit it already. If you see a blue check, it means I saw it and I didn't touch it yet. Trello works. Yeah, I don't have a public Trello. I have tried Trello. I mean, privately, I don't have a public one. Can you make a publicly visible Trello that's not editable? Easy feedback form since you're using Unity? Wait, what's that? Is easy feedback form a thing? Or are you just saying to make one? You can make a read-only public Trello? Okay. Zendesk? Fractal is a section of the Discord that has bug submissions. Yeah, I have a channel, but it's just people chatting, and then it gets, it gets filled with nonsense. User or group-based permissions on Trello are good. Okay, yeah, I might make a Trello then. Or maybe I'll do forum style Discord channel. Ooh, look at this. Skytech. Easy feedback. Let me see this. This might be cool. This game is too hard. Make it easier. What does that do? Just send me an email? Oh, it automatically uploads a Trello. Oh, cool. With a screenshot. That's cool. I might do this. 40 bucks? That ain't bad. I might do this. Not right now, but eventually. So here's my plan. Right now, the alpha is only available to you guys if you do the channel redeem. I was thinking about doing like a public playtest using the Steam playtest system, but then, you know, people won't like have direct contact to me, so I will need something like this. You were thinking of doing something similar? I didn't think to link it with Trello. It's a good idea. Yeah, this asset's pretty awesome. I mean, I'm assuming Trello has an API that you can just mimic this in Godot. All right, I'm gonna save this. Yeah, thanks for that, Skytech. Main reason I love it is because you get the log. That is pretty cool. He doubled the price of it. I guess it got popular. It's a pretty useful thing. No rush, yeah. Yeah, just throw stuff on the Discord. Let's see what you got. Did you already submit something? I got a little bleep. To the left of the pond. To the left of the pond took you to the cave. Oh. Wait, what? I just got a bug report that says to the left of the pond. They went to a zone that didn't exist. Did I not add? No, it's right here. I'm gonna try the Steam build and see if I can recreate that bug. If anyone else wants to try the game, you know, there's a channel redeem back there. It's very cheap. It's very cheap channel redeem. Gotta lurk, Sky Ninja. Thank you for all your help, always and forever. I'm not even sure I played the new build. Can I redeem it for other people? I mean, they might not want the key. You might want to ask them first. Another idea, if you want to keep it in Discord, use a ticket bot or Discord. On my Discord, it's pretty useful. Oh, snap. That's a good idea. I'm really bad with bots, so I'm gonna check that out. All right, let's see if we can recreate Jay's bug. Oh shit! Look at that, you've been here for 10 minutes. You can already play the alpha. Let me message you. I think I'm in your solo dev and your Memori. Yo, actually, I meant to tell you, I get so many messages from people in solo dev, like DMs, that are like, "Hey, I make art. I do VO." Actually, no, I didn't get a VO one from them, but I got a lot of like people like, "Hey, I make streamer stuff. Do you need any streamer stuff?" It's like, no, good. Thank you though. There you go. All right, let's recreate that bug. The irony of getting solicitations DMs is a solo dev Discord. Oh yeah, I'm in solo dev for a reason. Nice Voronoi. What Voronoi? Oh, this? I hand modeled that. There's a little break in the normals here. But this is not a Voronoi. I didn't do a Voronoi. I actually hand did that because I needed it to repeat. But it's not perfect. It's all messed up. I need to remake all the walls in the game. I kind of don't like them. Alright, let's see where that goes. Little secret, that doesn't have a collider on it, so you can just go right into the forest. Solo Dev Discord, yeah, Practical, he runs a Solo Dev Discord channel. Structural stuff can be maddening without an engineer at the helm. What kind of structural stuff are you talking about? Oh yeah, it's a Reddit, that's right. The Reddit. It's Reddit first, then Discord. Alright, so apparently this will take me to the void. Let's go in. Nope, takes me here. Could any of you PC alpha testers see what that does? Is it is it this one? Maybe it's this one. Nope, that takes me back here. Solo dev is dead. Solo development. Ah. I can't recreate that bug. The game sometimes has a long time loading, and sometimes it breaks. Yeah, Sky Ninja, I think we just fixed that. It has something to do with backing out into the main menu and then back into the game. If that person was cycling at me with a sledgehammer at the ready, I'd be panicking. Yeah, someone suggested to take the items out of the hands when they're biking. But I feel like it makes people laugh, so I might leave it in. Apparently there's curtain maths that engineers are privy of that make structures look appealing. Pythagorean theorem, etc. Oh. Yeah, I don't know anything about that. You just downloaded? Nice. No pressure. No pressure. I mean, eventually when I release the game, I'm gonna revoke all those keys because there's a lot out. But feel free to play it as much or as little as you'd like. All right, so I think we're good. I think we hit all these bugs. No more game-breaking bugs. This one's annoying, but whatever. This one's annoying, but whatever. You slow walk behind Jeff with my sword he gave me. Don't creep on Jeff. I'm a checkbox per camera. Okay, this is annoying. Controller icons for the different platforms. Oh no, I don't want to do that. How do I even do that? I have a bunch of profiles with different icons, and I need a test. Is it okay to stream? No one streamed it yet. And I was asking people to wait until a stable build. So I'm gonna upload, once this stream is done, I'm probably gonna upload this build since it's pretty stable. And if you want to stream it, you can stream it after that. It's just like so unfinished. But you know, whatever, I don't care. All right, so how do I check for the button types? It's my input system. Systems, input system. I have these schemas, these icon schemas, and I need to choose the right one. Oh, risky biscuits. Wait, I thought you redeemed that already. Can he spell biscuits? Alright, let me get you your key. You can also give it a stream? Nice, nice. This is you, right? Yeah. There you go. If you did want to log any errors, you want to hop in the Discord channel, there is a place you can put errors. There's a private channel there. Yeah. Revoke every key but yours, Sky Ninja? We'll see how it goes. You might get your own special key. I mean, you're throwing off the curve. When I look at Steam's when I look at the play stats, average playtime 1 hour and 50 minutes. But there's one person that has 5 hours plus. That must be you. Yeah, it's definitely you. All right. I think once I finish this last thing, I might call it and raid out. We'll see. We'll see how we feel. My body's like it's begging me to go for a walk. Wait, no, I already have it open. Input system. So how do I check for the different schemas? What's the best way to check in Unity for what platform we're on? Because the application.platform is kind of a pain in the ass. Wife is calling. Gotta go do some errands. Have a great time. Risky, thanks for hanging. Define symbols. You think I know what that means? I'm an artist. Where's my input system? Don't you need those compile thingies for different platforms? I'm trying not to do that. So here we go, in the update function. Ooh, we got docs. Ooh, you both posted the same thing. Fine. I'll use these. It's already missing stuff though. Where's Xbox? Where's PlayStation? Where's Steam? What's it called? What's the thingy called? Steam Deck. PlayStation. I kind of need to know what controller it is. Not even the platform. I just need to know what controller it is. Jinx, yeah. Now you're both banned for jinxing each other. You're both timed out. Someone owes someone a Coke. You need to make yourself, I think. The platform exists, they just aren't docked. Your IntelliSense will find them. So there is, you know, application.platform, right? Equals. And then there's all these runtime platforms. Windows, PlayStation 3, Xbox 360. I could just have a big function that just carefully checks through all the application types and then bounces back the one I'm looking for. So Another smart thing to do would be, oh, you know what? In my schemas, I should associate the platforms there in the scriptable object, and then I do matchy match. You know, if this schema has this platform type, use this. All right, we're good. Schema. Input schemas. So we have schema names. Let's do public applicate. Well, what is it? A runtime platform? We'll make it a array so we can check for multiples. Associated platforms. And then we'll check. We'll just check for the one. I should make it a list. So I can... So I can just do a dot contains. Why doesn't it like that? Oh. The main reason for defines is that so they're stripped on build. Using application.platform, the code will always be there regardless of your build. I mean, that's okay. But as long as I make it secure, we're safe, right? The thing is, though, like, I mean, I don't see any built-in variables for the different platforms. Like, I see iOS and Android, but where are the consoles? I think I need to just get a Steam Deck also. Like, does Steam Deck return a controller type? Alright, so keyboard is going to be associated with... Oh my god. We'll just default to keyboard. PS3. I mean, we'll never be on PS3, so whatever. PS5. Maybe we'll be on PlayStation, but I'm really doing this for the controller. So that yeah, maybe I'm. This is actually really annoying. So it's like, what platform am I on? Check for that and then show the right buttons. But then on PC, it could be any controller. So it's like, I need to know the platform and the controller and do some checks to show the right thing. This is a pain in the ass. Steam Deck with wireless keyboard and mouse and a VR headset. Viable workspace, I hear. Really? I wouldn't want to work in a VR headset. It sounds like it'll give me a headache. My Steam Deck gets quite a bit of use for 3D modeling when I travel. Really? You're 3D modeling on your Steam Deck? How? How? I can't even 3D model unless I have a middle mouse button. Mine is just like, without a middle mouse button, I just run into so many issues. Like, I can barely orbit the camera without it. The reason you don't see them is probably because you don't have build target installed. So Unity PS5 only shows up if you have the build target. I see. So I guess my problem is I'm not really looking for the application. I'm looking for the controller. And this is going to be more complicated because I use a pack. I use an asset pack that detects controllers, and I guess I need to look in their documentation to see if they support Steam Deck. It's a very old asset, so I would imagine it does not support Steam Deck. Ah, shit. This is gonna suck. We're gonna have to do this another day. I use in control. Oh wait, it has a picture of a Steam Deck. Is that a Steam Deck? I gotta go to their website, I guess. I also haven't updated in a long time. Website. Let's look at this together. Now available. Yeah. Steam. Nothing here. Supported controllers. Steam. Deck. Rewired supports all the controllers, and I don't need to conditionally worry about what anyone is using. Yeah, I only need to worry about it if I want to change the icons of the button indicators in the game. Does Rewired have a solution for that? I actually don't want to use in control anymore. I haven't seen it updated in a very long time, and I have to do a lot of weird workarounds to make keyboard and mouse function similarly to controller support. Like, look at that, custom profiles, keyboard and mouse. It's just offline. It's not even supported anymore, which is like, wait, what? So it was a pain in the ass to get this to work. All right, you know what? I think that's it for the day. And I know where we're gonna go. I made a credits thing. Do you think it's gonna work? Do you think it's gonna work this time? If I go to the credits page, and I hit this button, roll credits. Oh my God, we have credits. We got new followers. Look at all these new followers. Human, Nab2. Oh, I don't have the alerts. Shit. Later Practical. Skytech, was that you? Thank you for the follow. And thank you for the raids. Oh my God. BitGamey with the bit. Human, thank you for the raid. All right, thanks for hanging out with me. I'm gonna go to Wallaber. I just love Wallaber. And I want you guys to love Wallaber too. Oh my God, you subscribed? You subscribed? Thank you for the subscription. That's crazy. Thank you. Oh my God, what are you guys doing? What's happening? Zeke, thank you for the follow. I can update these credits now. Will it update if I just hit it again? Seriously, y'all, this was a good Sunday. I got a lot done. There you go. There you guys are. Subs and resubs. Everlasting Media, you're crazy. FB, later. Nick, see ya. Nab. Oh my God, Nab. Thanks for hanging and thanks for sharing your short. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. It was amazing. All right, everyone. I'll be back tomorrow night. Maybe. If not, Tuesday morning, definitely. All right, later.